To begin the clean in place procedure, click the Clean button at the top right of the GUI. The materials you'll want to gather are about 250 milliliters of cleaning solution and multiple clean beakers. To prepare, ensure that all your heaters are on and the system temperatures are stable. Ensure that the system is pressurized and ready to unload. Place a clean beaker directly underneath the needle. This beaker will be used to collect reclaimable product. When ready to proceed, click Next. For the next step, we are going to purge your fluid path and reclaim any oil that is still in your reservoir. We'll begin by clicking the Bypass button. Product will begin to flow from the needle. Once there is only a fine mist of product coming out of the needle, or you hear the nitrogen, press Stop. Once purging is complete, click Next. Here we're going to be loading your cleaning solution. Start by disconnecting the nitrogen supply by separating the pneumatic quick coupler attached to the nitrogen port of the reservoir. The quick connector receptacle has a check valve in it which will prevent the nitrogen escaping the regulator and pressurized tank. The reservoir will vent to atmosphere. Remove the top clamp, gasket, and bulkhead from the reservoir. If any product remains on the sidewalls of the reservoir, wipe down with cleaning solution. Then transfer 250 milliliters of cleaning solution into the reservoir, making sure to wipe down the gasket. Replace the gasket, bulkhead, and top clamp. Ensure that the clamp is secured tightly to avoid leaks under pressure. Then reconnect the nitrogen supply with the pneumatic quick connector. Check for leaks. If any leak occurs, immediately disconnect the reservoir from the nitrogen supply by pulling the quick connector, clean any leaked cleaning solution, repair the leak, reconnect your nitrogen, and repeat pressurization. If no leaks are observed after 30 seconds, proceed with the cleaning procedure by clicking the Next button. Next, we are going to prime your cleaning solution. Start by placing a clean and empty container under the needle. This will be used to collect the used cleaning solution. Click the Bypass button below. Cleaning solution will begin to flow from the needle. Once there is a steady flow of cleaning solution coming from the needle, click Stop. Allow your solution to warm up for at least 5 minutes before clicking the Next button. Next, we'll begin the cleaning cycle. Ensure that you have a container that can hold at least 250 milliliters of cleaning solution below the needle. Click the Clean button, and the system will pump 50 cycles at full draw. Once this cleaning cycle is complete, you can empty the container of cleaning solution and click Next to continue. On this next step, we are going to purge the remaining cleaning solution that is in your reservoir. So you can click the Bypass button below, and once there is no longer any cleaning solution coming out of the needle, click the Stop button. Once complete, click Next. For the last step, we're going to evaporate the cleaning solution that's remaining in your fluid path. Ensure there is a container below the needle and click the Clean button, and the system will pump 50 cycles at full draw. You'll want to wait for the evaporation cycle to finish. Using a flashlight to observe the syringe motion through the tinted door, look for a bead of cleaning solution in front of the syringe plunger. If after the first evaporation cycle there's still a bead of solution remaining, The system is not fully dried. Click the Clean button above to run the cycle again. Always perform the clean in place procedure before concluding filling operations for the day. Once cleaning is complete, disconnect the nitrogen supply and power off your jet fueler.